Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now, as far as autofocus motor noise is concerned, both the 10-18 and the 11-22 use STM technology, silent stepping motors, which are great for video. Now, there is differences even among the STM capable lenses when it comes to autofocus noise, but especially the 10-18 and the 11-22, maybe with the 18-135, are like virtually 100% silent. You don't even pick up anything even on the internal audio. So those are both great for video in that respect. And in 1080p, the M50 offers dual pixel autofocus. So for vlogging, there's no better combination. You're getting fast, precise and reliable autofocus performance, and it is silent, even when using the internal microphones. Here's the autofocus test with the 11-22 at 11mm selfie shot. Now the same test with the 10-18 at 10mm adapted to the Canon M50 via the EF-S to EF-M adapter. And as you could see, the lens and the adapter work very well together. Maybe slightly slower performance, maybe slightly smoother, but basically up to par with the native 11-22. Difficult test for the system from behind the camera, both lenses at their tele ends. I'm forcing the camera to pull focus from infinity to or near the close limit and back, while at the same time enforcing a drastic change in exposure. As you can see, things work really smoothly with the 11-22. This is the exact same test with the 10-18 at its tele end, and as you can see, basically the same results. Smooth focus pulling and smooth exposure change. So once again, both these lenses pretty much perform equally. Now both these lenses use focus by wire. This means that when you turn the focus ring, you're not actually changing the position of a lens element inside the lens barrel. Rather, what happens is the lens tells the camera that the focus ring has been moved, and then the camera adjusts the position of the lens element accordingly so focus sits where it needs to sit. This means that you can turn the focus ring indefinitely. There is no start and stop on it with either of those lenses, which might be a problem if you're used to using lenses that offer that functionality, that have a start and a stop. With the M50, that simply means that you're going to have to resort to using focus peaking, a function that is offered by the M50 and it will allow you to perfectly determine where focus is. So manually focusing with both these lenses and the M50, although it's a focus by wire system, is definitely easy and workable. It might take you some time to get used to it if you're coming from a different system though. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.